Tired of struggling with an uncomfortable climate in your small rooms? Want to add a touch of style and convenience to your living space? Look no further than our smart socket fan light with remote, the ultimate solution for instant comfort and illumination. Engineered to deliver powerful airflow without overwhelming the space, it's the ideal socket fan for apartments, kitchens, bedrooms, closets, and garage. Fans are too bulky. Smart voice and app control take command of your comfort with 3 flexible control options. Use the Smart Life app for detailed customization, the included socket fan light with remote for instant adjustments, or simple voice commands with your Alexa or Google Assistant. This smart ceiling fan with Alexa seamlessly integrates into any modern smart home. Let's dive into more details about this amazing product. First and foremost, this smart socket fan light with remote stands out with its 2-in-1 functionality. In a compact 16-inch design, it delivers powerful airflow, making it the perfect solution for small rooms where space is limited. But that's not all. This versatile fan also features a built-in dimmable light with a full spectrum of colors. With over 16 million vibrant hues to choose from, you can set the perfect mood for any occasion. The adjustable white light ranging from 2,700,000 to 6,500,000 ensures you can find the ideal brightness and warmth for your space. Whether you need bright white light for an energizing work session or a cozy glow for relaxation, this fan light has you covered. Controlling your fan and light has never been easier. Our smart socket fan light with remote offers 3 flexible control options. Firstly, with the Smart Life app, you can take control from anywhere at your fingertips. Customize your fan speed, lighting colors, and even set schedules for automatic operation. Secondly, we provide an easy-to-use socket fan light with remote, allowing you to adjust the settings instantly. And for those who prefer voice control, this smart ceiling fan with Alexa compatibility works seamlessly with Alexa and Google Assistant. Simply give a voice command and enjoy hands-free convenience. You can choose from a gentle breeze to a refreshing gust, ensuring the perfect airflow for any situation. Additionally, with a reversible motor, this fan provides year-round comfort. In summer, enjoy the cooling breeze, and in winter, circulate warm air for an even spread of heat. Installation is a breeze with this easy-to-install ceiling fan. It's designed to fit any standard E26 or E27 light socket. Simply screw it in and you're ready to go. No complicated wiring or tools needed. It's the perfect hassle-free upgrade for your home. Transform your small rooms into havens of comfort and style with our smart socket fan light with remote. Whether you want to create the perfect ambience, improve air circulation, or both, this versatile device has you covered. Enhance your home with our cutting-edge smart devices. Explore our collection and join the smart home revolution today. Order now and experience the ultimate in comfort and convenience. My affiliate link is right in the description below. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and share. If you have any question, ask in the comment section below. Thank you for watching and see you in the next video.